Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to give you a pro tip about writing, whether you are a fiction writer, a nonfiction writer, or you just want to impress your English teacher on the final and so boost your grade. Whatever situation you find yourself in, this is one very simple thing that you can do to make your writing instantly become more interesting, more readable, and more professional looking. So here it is. This is the thing that you can do no matter what your skill level to improve your writing right away. That is, you need to use more active voice. You should use mostly active voice in your writing as opposed to passive voice. So just to give you an idea of what those terms actually mean, if you're not already familiar with them, active voice means that the subject of the sentence is doing the action. So, as an example, Luke attacks the Death Star. Luke is the subject of the sentence, attacks is the verb, and Luke is very much doing the action of attacking. Now, active voice doesn't necessarily mean that everything is action-packed, it just means that the subject is doing the action. So, an example of a passive sentence that gets across the same idea, but is lame and clunky, would be, the Death Star is attacked by Luke. In that sentence, the Death Star is the subject, it's just being attacked, it's not actually doing much of anything. It's just having something done to it. So that would be an example of a passive sentence. A couple of ways that you can tell that you are using more passive voice than active voice. One, and I just stole this, I've seen this a few places online. If you can add the phrase by zombies after the verb, the Death Star was attacked by zombies. He was cured by zombies. She was found by zombies. Then you know that you're looking at the passive voice. If you want to be more technical, the actual definition of a passive verb is a form of to be. So is, are, was, were, being, been, and then a past participle. So was burnt, has been chopped, that sort of thing. If you find those in your writing, just switch the sentence around so that the one actually doing the action is not the subject, and your writing will immediately become smoother and more awesome. So if you have any questions about this that still remain, make sure to let me know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already for more of these tips and just English nerdy goodness, make sure that you do that as well. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you next Monday.